Guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome, and today I'm going to do something I've been wanting to do for quite some time. I'm going to install my own security system in the RV. I got the power source here today in the mail, so let's go ahead and let's install that. Well, the thing I like about this security system is I don't need it in the RV all the time. So when I don't need it, it's portable. I can take it in the house and just bring it out when I need it. So that's one thing I like about it. Well, so let's see what powers this security system that I'm going to install. All right. I think I just installed it properly. Meet my new security system, Moose of Alaska. You'll be a good security system, won't you, Moosey? Heck yeah, you bark at everything. All right, guys, getting ready to pull the cover off the RV here soon, so stay tuned for that. Tell me what you think about my new security system. All right, Moose, let's go in the house.